Can you tell me who that is? Who's that one? Tommy and Aaron. Who else? Jackson?
Sassy.
Yeah. What about AJ? Is AJ in there too? Where's AJ? Can you say AJ?
His bike.
What about Cece? Can you say Cece?
Sissy.
Cece, is that your cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Where's Cece? Can you say Cece? Tony and Aaron. Who's this? Axel, you're right. Who's in this picture with Mommy? Jenny. You said Jenny? And Grandma? Jenny. Who is that? Who is that?
Bike.
Is that Aaron?
Bike.
They're not biting, they're giving a kiss. Say kiss. Who's this? Who is that?
Sissy.
Cece, you're right.